Most people struggle with woodworking, not because it's hard, but because they're using the wrong tools. What if the right tools could turn hours of effort into smooth, precise work in minutes? On AU Techverse, you're about to discover 20 powerful tools that make your projects faster and easier, and every tool you see is linked in the description so you can check them out instantly. Table saw. A table saw is the foundation of most woodworking projects, especially when you need straight, consistent cuts. Imagine preparing multiple wooden panels for a cabinet. Doing this manually would take time and introduce errors. With a table saw, the flat surface and adjustable fence guide your material accurately through the spinning blade. This allows you to repeat the same cut with precision every time. In real workshop use, it saves hours and improves consistency across all pieces. When accuracy and speed are essential, a table saw becomes the core tool that keeps your entire project on track. Circular saw. A circular saw is built for fast, straight cuts when you need mobility and flexibility on the job. Imagine working on large plywood sheets where moving the material to a stationary tool is difficult. With a handheld circular saw, you can bring the tool to the material and cut with ease. Adjustable depth and bevel settings allow you to handle different types of cuts accurately. In real projects, it speeds up rough cutting and on-site work significantly. When you need power, portability, and efficiency together, a circular saw becomes an essential part of your workflow. Miter saw. A miter saw is designed for precise cross cuts and angled cuts, making it essential for clean joints and accurate framing. Imagine cutting pieces for a picture frame or trim work where exact angles matter. This tool allows you to set and repeat those angles quickly. With a rotating base and a guided blade, it delivers consistent results without manual adjustments each time. In real projects, it reduces setup time and improves accuracy across multiple cuts. When your work depends on perfect angles and clean edges, a miter saw ensures reliable and professional results every time. Band saw. A band saw is built for controlled, continuous cutting, especially when working with curves or thick stock. Picture shaping a curved furniture piece or resawing a board into thinner slices. This is where a band saw performs best. Its looped blade runs in a single direction, which helps reduce kickback and gives you better control over the cut. With adjustable guides and a stable table, it supports accurate and repeatable work. In real woodworking, it allows you to handle both detailed shapes and heavier cuts efficiently, making it a reliable tool for precision and versatility. Jigsaw. A jigsaw is the go-to tool when your project involves curves, cutouts, or irregular shapes that other saws cannot handle. Imagine cutting a sink opening in a wooden countertop or shaping a custom design. This is where a jigsaw becomes essential. Its up and down blade motion allows you to follow lines with control, even in tight spaces. With variable speed settings and different blades, it adapts to various materials and cut types. In real projects, it adds flexibility and saves time, making complex cuts simple and manageable with consistent results. Power drill. A power drill is one of the most essential tools for any woodworking project, handling drilling and fastening tasks with speed and consistency. Imagine assembling a wooden cabinet where multiple holes and screws are required. Doing this manually would take much longer. With variable speed control and interchangeable bits, a power drill adapts to different materials and tasks easily. In real use, it helps create clean holes and secure joints quickly. When efficiency and reliability matter, a power drill becomes a core tool that keeps your entire project moving forward without delays. Impact driver. An impact driver is designed for driving screws and fasteners with higher torque than a standard drill, making it especially useful for dense wood or long screws. Imagine building a deck or assembling thick wooden frames where resistance is high. This tool delivers consistent driving power without requiring excessive effort. Its internal hammering mechanism reduces strain on your wrist while keeping the screw firmly engaged. In real projects, it speeds up fastening tasks and minimizes stripping or slipping. When strong, efficient fastening is needed, an impact driver ensures the job gets done quickly and securely. Wood router. A wood router is essential when you want to add precision and detail to your work. Imagine finishing the edges of a table or cutting grooves for joints. This tool allows you to shape wood cleanly and consistently. With adjustable depth settings and a wide range of router bits, it handles tasks like edge profiling, slot cutting, and trimming with accuracy. In real projects, it reduces manual effort while improving the overall finish. When clean edges and precise cuts matter, a wood router helps you achieve professional results in less time. Drill press. A drill press provides stability and precision that handheld drills cannot match. Imagine needing perfectly straight and evenly spaced holes for a project like shelving or joinery. This tool ensures consistent results every time. With a fixed base, adjustable table, and controlled downward motion, it allows you to drill at exact depths and angles. In real woodworking scenarios, it reduces errors and improves accuracy, especially when working on repetitive tasks. When precision and control are critical, a drill press makes your work faster, cleaner, and far more reliable. Angle grinder, wood carving attachment. Yes, an angle grinder with a wood carving attachment is used for rapid material removal and rough shaping. Imagine shaping a thick wooden block into a curved form or removing excess material before fine detailing. This setup handles that stage quickly. The rotating disc removes wood efficiently, allowing you to define shapes before switching to finer tools. It requires controlled handling and proper safety measures, but it significantly reduces manual effort. In real projects, it speeds up the rough shaping phase, making it easier to move toward detailed finishing with better control. Orbital Sander. An orbital sander is designed to smooth wooden surfaces quickly and evenly, especially during finishing stages. Imagine preparing a tabletop for paint or polish. Manual sanding would take much longer and may leave uneven marks. With its random orbital motion, this tool reduces visible scratches and creates a consistent surface. It also supports different grit sandpapers for various stages of finishing. In real projects, it improves surface quality while saving time and effort. When a smooth, clean finish is essential, an orbital sander delivers reliable and consistent results with minimal manual work. Belt sander. A belt sander is built for fast material removal when you need to level or smooth large surfaces quickly. Imagine working on a rough wooden board or trying to even out uneven edges. This tool handles it efficiently with its continuous sanding belt. It removes material much faster than standard sanders, making it ideal for early-stage surface preparation. In real projects, it helps you bring wood to a workable state before fine finishing. But when speed and efficiency are important in heavy sanding tasks, a belt sander becomes a powerful and time-saving solution. Thickness planer. A thickness planer is used to make wooden boards flat and consistent in thickness, which is critical for accurate assembly. Imagine preparing multiple boards for a tabletop. If each piece varies slightly, the final surface will not align properly. This machine feeds the wood through rotating blades, removing excess material evenly across the surface. In real projects, it saves time compared to manual leveling and ensures uniform results. When consistency and smoothness are required across multiple pieces, a thickness planer helps you achieve precise and reliable outcomes with minimal effort. Jointer. A jointer is used to create perfectly flat surfaces and straight edges, which are essential before assembling any woodworking project. Imagine working with rough lumber that has slight bends or uneven edges. This tool helps you correct those imperfections. It uses a rotating cutter head to shave off high spots, giving you a flat reference surface. In real projects, this ensures boards fit together tightly without gaps. When accuracy and alignment is important, a jointer prepares your material properly and makes the entire building process faster and more reliable. Hand planer. A hand planer is a practical tool for trimming and smoothing wood surfaces with control and precision. Imagine fitting a door or adjusting a wooden edge that is slightly uneven. This tool allows you to shave off thin layers without overcutting. It is especially useful for fine adjustments where power tools might remove too much material. In real woodworking tasks, it helps refine edges, improve fit, and correct minor imperfections quickly. When small adjustments make a big difference, A hand planer gives you the control needed to achieve clean and accurate results. Bar clamps. Bar clamps are essential when you need to hold multiple wooden pieces firmly together during glue-ups or assembly. Imagine joining panels for a tabletop. Without consistent pressure, gaps can form and weaken the structure. These clamps allow you to apply even force across the surface, keeping everything aligned while the adhesive sets. With adjustable lengths, they handle different project sizes easily. In real woodworking, they reduce movement and improve joint strength. When stability during assembly is critical, bar clamps ensure your work stays secure and properly aligned until it is fully set. A laser level. A laser level helps you achieve perfectly straight and level alignments without repeated manual checks. Imagine installing shelves or aligning wooden frames across a wall. Small errors can quickly become noticeable. This tool projects a clear horizontal or vertical line, allowing you to position materials accurately in less time. Many models include self-leveling features, which simplify setup and improve consistency. In real projects, it reduces rework and speeds up installation tasks. When alignment needs to be precise from the start, a laser level ensures your work stays accurate and professional. Digital angle finder. A digital angle finder allows you to measure and transfer angles with precision, which is essential for accurate cuts and tight-fitting joints. Imagine working on a frame or complex joint where even a slight angle error can ruin alignment. This tool gives you an exact reading instantly. With a clear digital display, it removes guesswork and speeds up setup for saws and cutting tools. In real woodworking projects, it improves accuracy and reduces material waste. When exact angles matter, a digital angle finder ensures your cuts match perfectly every time. Dust collector. A dust collector keeps your workspace clean by capturing fine wood dust directly from your tools during operation. Imagine cutting or sanding for long periods. Dust quickly builds up, affecting visibility and air quality. This system connects to compatible tools and pulls debris into a collection unit, reducing the need for constant cleanup. In real projects, it helps maintain a safer and more organized environment, and allowing you to focus on the work without interruptions. When cleanliness and efficiency matter, a dust collector supports smoother workflow and better overall working conditions. Workbench table. A workbench table is the central workspace where every part of your project comes together. Imagine cutting, assembling, and finishing without a stable surface. It slows you down and reduces accuracy. A solid workbench provides the support needed for precise work, often with features like clamping areas or storage for tools. In real projects, it keeps your setup organized and stable, allowing you to work more efficiently from start to finish. When every task depends on control and consistency, a reliable workbench table becomes the foundation of faster and smarter woodworking. One of that was 20 powerful tools that can truly make your projects easier and faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more practical tools and smart tech content like this, subscribe to AU Techverse. Because here, every video is designed to help you work better, faster, and smarter.